Ownership of data. Before understanding ownership of data, we should know what is data. The term data means information. That information is gathered through a number of research activities. These research activities are recorded physically in the form of papers, notebooks, worksheets, etc., or those are recorded by electronic mediums such as computer databases, computer images, etc. The records may be kept in laboratory, as you have studied in my previous lecture about the scientific record keeping. Now, we can easily understand the ownership of data. Anyone who owns the data is the owner of that data and he has the ownership of that data. Although the university in which the research is carried out ultimately possesses the ownership of data and university is accountable for the reliability of that data. But if the creator has left the university, then also the university will have the power over it. The university may have agreement with the researcher and power may be transferred. Then the creator will be responsible for its quality. The transfer of ownership of data is possible in certain cases. As the university is the ultimate owner of data, hence the university can transfer the ownership of data to creator or researcher. Both the university and creator will set some conditions and sign the agreement on those terms and conditions. The sponsors or funding agencies may also get advanced access to data or manuscript. If the sponsors are external, then they cannot restrict the rights of creator to publish his or her findings whenever he or she wants. Ownership is power. Certainly ownership is power. If you are the owner of house, then you will have power to renovate, or if you want to build additional rooms, etc., you can do it. No one will interfere because you are the owner of that house. In the same way, the ownership of data also provides same kind of power to the creator or researcher. The level of power is different for different types of data. If the data is related to business, such as any company, suppose any chocolate company wants a creator to carry out fatty acid analysis of those chocolates, so that they can claim the quality of fat used in the chocolates, then the level of ownership will be high towards researcher, because their business may be in danger if the results go reverse. And the ownership not only gives power, but also the control over data. This data control may include the ability to access, create, modify, package, derive benefits from, sell or remove data. These all controls can be assigned to others also to take privilege. Retention of data. As we already know that university and creator of data are the owner of data. If any funded in any funded or non-funded project, the investigators are responsible for collection, management and retention of data. The whole research data should be kept in signed documents for a minimum 5 years period. When the conclusion is drawn, then the original data will be retained whenever possible. In some cases and circumstances, the retention of data may require for longer period. During retention period, data can be accessed by university officials, co-investigators, collaborators, co-authors and students and fellows in research, or the representative of sponsors, government officials representative. If the creator or investigator of data is transferred to other new institution, then the data will be transferred to that investigator with the permission of university, and the ownership will be retained by the university. Thanks for watching.